Hey guys, so today we're gonna make lazy chocolate chip cookie bars. Don't those sound delish? So you're gonna get a box of yellow cake mix and you're just gonna dump that in a large bowl. And to this, you're gonna take a stick of butter. So half a cup of butter, you're gonna melt it, pour that into the bowl. And then 2 large eggs. And I don't like to crack my eggs directly into the bowl because if you get any shells. So crack them into the bowl you have the butter. You're not dirtying an extra bowl, and you're not gonna get any egg in there. So you got your 2 large eggs, and then to that, a little bit of a pinch of salt. So a pinch of salt, a little bit of pure vanilla extract, and an entire bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, all in one bowl. And you're just going to mix it up. So once you're done mixing, the batter will be almost like cookie dough. So that is why you want to use your electric mixer, because it's gonna get pretty thick and heavy to move. So now you're gonna get a 9x13 baking dish sprayed with cooking spray. I love this Wilton Bake Easy. It just really is good for baking. And now you're gonna spread this mix. Now, like I said, it's gonna be like cake mix or like cookie mix. So, you know, like cookie dough. So that's why you're gonna wanna take your time. It's not gonna pour as easy as like if you're baking a cake. It usually pours all in there and then you're just, so it's like taking one big giant cookie. We're gonna bake these in a 350 degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And if you serve these babies warm, so a scoop of vanilla ice cream, it's absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna take a minute and get this all spread. And what I like to do at the end is I usually spray my hands, a little bit of cooking spray. And then I do this also too when I'm making like Rice Krispie treats, and that'll help you, give you the tools that God gave you to use on baking. So it really helps tremendously, especially when the spatula. So just wet your hands a little bit with the baking spray, because then it doesn't stick as well. And then you see how I'm flattening it. Makes it a lot easier. It's a good thing to do again with Rice Krispie treats, to get that nice and flat. Now you could use a smaller baking dish, like an 8x8 or an 11x7 if you want a little bit of a thicker cookie bar. But you're just gonna have to cook them, adjust your cooking time. These taste almost like, literally like a cookie but in a bar form. The other ones are gonna almost taste a little cakey. Okay, so looks good. I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. I just took these out of the oven and they smell amazing. So let them cool for a little bit and then cut them into bars, and you can serve them warm with ice cream or just enjoy it as is. You can get the full recipe on mothertime.com.